When asked about the 2004 gold medal status on Team USA, King said, "I think people who have been caught for doping offenses should be on Team USA. No, I don't. It should be set in stone. There should be no bouncing back and forth." Read between the lines. Lilly King should be praised for challenging dopers. Whitlock, good read or bad read?
It's an awesome read. This young lady is 19 years old. She's from my home state. She goes to Indiana University. Very proud of her. Listen, she's not going to be a hypocrite. There's a problem with doping in swimming. It seems to be most acute with Russian swimmers. She's calling them out. She's not going to be a hypocrite and then turn around and give Justin Gatlin or U.S. sprinters a pass. I got nothing but respect for this young lady.
Also, we just criticized Jordan for not having real courage.
Yeah.
This is courage.
Yeah.
19-year-old college kid going after a government and a teammate. Like, that's courage.
Well,
that's
she's going after the IOC, which is very, shady.
But it's a 19-year-old kid.
Yeah.
When I was 19-year-old, the thought of criticizing a legend, a star, like this is what, when athletes do this kind of stuff, what can you say? Like, this is an uncomfortable thing to do. I mean, the visuals of it, the finger wagging.
This is a 19-year-old, a teenage woman who is likely to run into these track stars in the Olympic Village.
Or social events.
Yeah, social events, cafeteria, whatever. She'll run into Justin Gatlin. I can't do nothing but just be really impressed and really proud of this young woman.
A lot of props to Lilly, for sure, guys.